So if we'll all just turn within, we know how to do that. Move into our hearts. Move into that peaceful breath in and out, in and out. We breathe in peace. We breathe out peace. We breathe in love, and we breathe out love. We breathe in joy, and we breathe out joy. We participate in the flow of life, the ebb and the flow, the in and the out. We have that all the time. We are all connected to Source. We're all expressions of the divine spirit of the universe. And when we turn within, we seek alignment with our own higher being. It's in each and every one of us. That connection. And through that connection, we are connected to everyone and everything else. And we can feel that sense of community, family, here this morning. And the love grows, the love expands beyond this church to Tulsa, to Oklahoma, to the whole country, to the whole world. There is one God expressing in and through each and every one of us. And from that understanding, we think about those who put requests in the prayer box, and those requests that never got into the prayer box but are still on people's hearts. We see light surrounding that box. We see God enfolding all those people and all those situations. We are loved. We are blessed beyond imagining. And when we ask, we do receive. And all those concerns are receiving divine blessing. Feel it. Know it, and we do give thanks for it. Amen.